you can expect a lot from the 2011 Honda Accord. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this car is a truly winning combination. A quick and nimble vehicle emphasizing safety, style, and fun. Honda made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It includes heated seats, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, power moonroof, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.